Hi, this is Dennis Faith, publisher, Cutting Tool Engineering Magazine. And I'm here with Steve Howard, the Marketing and Engineering Manager with NTK Cutting Tools. And I want to ask Steve if you can explain what is this BIDEMICS? Why is everyone asking about it?
Well, BIDEMICS is the first real improvement in ceramics in 20 or 30 years. It's a brand new process in which we can increase cutting speeds and heat-resistant alloys by 17 times over carbides. And it's a wonderful time to be coming out with this and really proving it out, because with the economy going good and everybody needing to make more parts quickly with the same machines, we can help them. So it's always nice to have a solution for someone rather than just another Me Too product.
So what is it that your customers really like about BIDEMICS?
We can go really fast. The improvement over current ceramic, which runs anywhere from 800 to 900 surface feet typically, we've been running at speeds at 1600 and 1700 surface feet. That means time saved, that means more parts on the floor, that means more money.
So it's not the only area of improving productivity for your customers. There's another area that your company's been involved in for a little while now, right?
Yeah. Depending on where you come from in the world or in the country, you know NTK for either ceramic cutting tools or Swiss style tools, which go in Swiss style machines. One of the best things that this company does is come out with innovations and come out with really what the customers are needing. And most of the time when we come up with new tools for especially the Swiss side, is we walk into customers and we say, have you ever seen this? No. And they go, wow, I can use that. It's a wonderful position to be in, because you're offering something new that they know is going to save them money or make them money, which is even better than saving them money.
So Steve, can you tell me what else is going on at your booth? Is there anything else that you're introducing this year?
That's the great thing about this year. We've also come out with a few new ceramic grades for running at normal speeds to help be more productive in certain kinds of materials. And also the solid ceramic end mill. It's kind of a new thing. A lot of people have heard about it. It is for real. These things run really, really fast, and it's really exciting. So it's a lot of fun to run that. So anybody who's heard of ceramic end mills and want to try it, give us a call. And on top of that, we have quite a few new grades for our Swiss inserts as well. So if you need help, you need to save money, you need to make money, give us a call.
Thanks a lot, Steve. I appreciate your time.
Oh, thank you.